Want to learn more about cleaning with Unger's pure water and how it really works? It's probably a lot easier than you think. Pure water is made by filtering normal tap water. Minerals are extracted from the water so the cleaned window dries without residue or streaks. Unger is a leader in this technology, and with the HydroPower Ultra filter, offers beginners a small and easy-to-use filter device for so-called water deionization. This is made possible by the unit's resin packs, which are easy to quickly replace. All you need now to clean windows is a water-fed pole, such as the Unger LITE Carbon Composite, and the matching nLITE power brush. All this is also available as a basic kit. The main advantages of cleaning with pure water are faster window cleaning in one go, simple cleaning without the use of chemicals, safe working with needing a ladder, and of course the perfect cleaning result, streak-free cleaning without limescale and water stains. With the Unger Pure Water Cleaning System, window cleaning is easier. That's a promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today. To find out more, click here.